Hello folks, welcome back to Trend Drop. Tesla will start building the Model Y in Texas and Germany later this year. What will that look like? Tesla doesn't rely on traditional model years for its vehicles. It also claims it doesn't refresh its cars, though that has been proven false over the years. The reason Tesla makes this claim is to emphasize the fact that its cars are forever evolving, not only in terms of their hardware, but also via free over-the-air software updates. Tesla recently refreshed its Model S and Model X, which is something that has been anticipated for a long time, at least for the flagship Model S. Interestingly, the brand also likely refreshed its Model 3 to follow suit with the newer Model Y. Some suggest the Model Y has already been slightly updated as well, though minor changes to a model are common among all automakers, especially as they move into their second year on the market. Even before the Model 3 made its own official debut, Tesla and CEO Elon Musk were already teasing some early visions of the Model Y and its Falcon wing doors. After several years of teasing the public, complete with vague references and silhouette images during shareholder meetings, Tesla finally announced its newest EV, the Model Y, on March 14, 2019. Production began the following December at Tesla's Fremont factory, and by March of 2020, the first Model YS began delivering to customers. While the initial production of the Model Y has taken place in the Fremont, Tesla has made it clear that its future production will continue at its two new Gigafactories, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas, both of which remain under construction. In the summer of 2020, Tesla revealed it would produce and sell its own Model Y in the Chinese market. Beginning in December of that year, Model Y production commenced at Giga Shanghai. While the Model Y appears to more closely resemble the veteran Model X SUV because of its size and doors, it actually more closely matches the Model 3, sitting upon the same third-generation platform. Here's the latest Model Y news to get you up to speed with the newest Tesla current EV fleet. Performance specs. As a more affordable version of the Model X and a roomier version of Model 3, Tesla's Model Y falls somewhere in between in terms of both pricing and performance. As the newest Tesla model available, the Model Y was the first to feature Tesla's heat pump in lieu of electric resistance for interior cabin heat and battery preconditioning. The heat pump has since been integrated into Tesla's other models along with the other features like Chrome Delete trim. Currently, the Model Y is available in two dual-motor AWD versions, long range and performance. Both trims get their power from a 75 kWh battery pack. The long range of Model Y can travel an EPA estimated 326 miles on a single charge, while reaching a top speed of 135 miles per hour, all while traveling 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. Tesla's performance Model Y offers a smaller EPA range of 303 miles but can hit a top speed of 155 mph and can travel 0 to 60 mph in 3.5 seconds. Recently, there were rumors about a 400-mile range Model Y after Tesla filed for new versions of the EV with the Chinese government. However, those rumors have been quite exaggerated. Standard range RWD Model Y. In January of 2021, Tesla briefly launched a standard range RWD version of the Model Y 2.0 on its website configurator. This single motor options offered 244 miles of range, a top speed of 135 mph and a 0 to 60 mph time of 5.3 seconds. However, almost as quickly as it emerged, the standard range Model Y disappeared. Electrek later reported that this standard range Model Y would remain available as an off-menu item for customers who asked Tesla directly about it. This was due to the fact that CEO Elon Musk was understandably not satisfied with its range. The future of RWD Model Y remains quite uncertain, although it recently received an official EPA rating as one of the most efficient EVs in the world. In July 2021, Tesla's website revealed the standard range of RWD Model Y had, in fact, returned as an available option, but only in Hong Kong. In August, Tesla China began to delivering the first standard range Model Y EVs to customers alongside a full ceremony in which they could pick up their keys and drive off in their new decorated Tesla. How much does a Tesla Model Y weigh? Weight isn't usually something that average consumer takes into consideration when buying a vehicle, but for those extra savvy Tesla fans, every pound counts when you're trying to reach maximum efficiency, especially on an EV like the Model Y, which currently remains Tesla's second largest vehicle behind the Model X. Both available versions of Tesla Model Y currently begin weighing at 4,416 IBS. That's 834 more IBS than its platform counterpart Model 3, Standard Range Plus, and 351 IBS, more than the other two Model 3 trims. Other features. In the summer of 2020, Elon Musk told media that when the Model Y ceased production at Giga Berlin, it would have a radical redesign of how the EV was manufactured. This led to Tesla's unibody casting machine known as the Megacast and Gigapress, combining the front and rear portions of the frame by injecting molten aluminum into one single cast design. This unique casting process will take place when Giga Berlin eventually opens, and it's already underway in Fremont. Furthermore, the Tesla team has already tested the unibody press at Giga Texas and plans to utilize when it opens later this year. Model Y tow hitch. While a trailer hitch only comes standard on the Model X SUV, the Model Y is the second Tesla EV come with option as an available add-on. We previously reported that Tesla Model 3 would soon be coming with a tow hitch option to match those same models in Europe, but we have yet to see it in North America. In Model Y configurator on Tesla's website, the tow hitch is currently available as an add-on for $1,000 and offers a towing capacity of 300 IBS. 7-seat interior. Much like its larger older sibling in the Model X, the Model Y is only the second Tesla to offer seating for 7, longer before the Model Y ever saw deliveries. Tesla was promising a third-row 7-seat option to come. Unfortunately, it would become a hype feature that customers had to continually wait for following delay after delay. By the time the first Model Y began their initial deliveries in 2020, the third-row seats were still not available. Musk later promised that deliveries would begin in early December of 2020. December came and went without a 7-seat Model Y, but Tesla eventually did add the third-row option to its purchase page in 2021. However, it is currently only available on a long-range trim, and it leaves those third-row passengers with very little headroom and even less legroom. How much does a Tesla Model Y cost? When learning about the Model Y or any other models currently available, one of the first questions is always how much does Tesla cost? And for good reason, prices are very depending on what trim you choose, plus a number of add-ons likely to aforementioned tow hitch. To give you the full range of what you might pay for a new Model Y, we're going to give you the high and low end of both variations. Note, all prices are accurate at the time of positioning and do not include any destination fees, taxes, and federal taxes rebates. The long-range Model Y price starts from $53,990 and can be priced as high as $72,990 with all available add-ons. This includes red paint, white interior, 20 introduction wheels, 2 hitch, 7 seats, and full self-driving capabilities. The performance Model Y begins at $60,990 for the bare-bones version and can jump as high as $74,999, including the previously mentioned add-ons as well as 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. Note, the version only comes with 5 seats. Fast forward the Model Y, that it aims to be Tesla's best-selling product, at least for now. It seemed that it might not prove true, as it came to market during the pandemic and didn't appear to be selling remarkably. However, as the time has gone on, Model Y is proving its success, and Tesla has started selling the crossover in China too. Now, Tesla is on the verge of opening a new factory in Texas and another in Germany. Both aim to begin Model Y production later this year. If you have asked CEO Elon Musk, he'd probably tell you these upcoming Model Y crossovers will have better paint, higher overall quality, and perhaps even 4,680 cells. Maybe they'll even have structural battery packs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.